In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-fit your data in your Excel spreadsheet. So as you can see, I have my spreadsheet open here and some of the columns and rows aren't completely fitting this data. So you can see that some of the columns are too small and some of the columns are also too big. So I'm going to show you a couple of methods where you can auto-fit all of this data. Now this is going to work for both the columns and also the rows as well. And the first method is just by clicking on this icon between the A and the letter 1 in the spreadsheet, and that's going to select your entire document. Now what you need to do is move your mouse cursor between letters A and B, and you're going to see this icon appear, which is kind of a directional arrow key. So once you see this icon, just double click on your mouse, and as you can see, that's going to automatically resize your entire document to make sure everything fits in its place. You can also do this with your rows as well, just by bringing this icon back up and then double clicking once again, and that should fit all of your data perfectly inside of your rows. So what I'm going to do now is press Ctrl Z on my keyboard just to undo these changes, and I'm going to show you a second method where you can do this as well. And the first thing we need to do is select our entire spreadsheet again. So I'm just going to press Ctrl A on my keyboard to select everything. You can also click on the icon button over here. And once you have everything selected, click on the Home tab in the top navigation, click on Format, and then scroll down and select Auto Fit Column Width. And as you can see, that's going to fit all of your data inside of these columns perfectly. And then we can click on Format once again and do the same for rows by clicking Auto Fit Row Height. And that's also going to align all of your rows as well. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.